discuss a very little topic that is in your book that is given, right? History of the matchstick, right? Two topics as the Prabal is saying, the fire extinguisher that I will discuss that point also, as well as the history of the matchstick. In your book, there is a one paragraph that is given. Okay, three paragraphs are there in that. I am just telling you how to learn these three paragraphs. In the first paragraph, that is the history of the matchstick we are talking. यहाँ अगर हम देखते हैं history of matchstick में, तो जो matchstick है, it was invented, was developed at near about the 500 years ago. ठीक है जी? But 200 years ago पहले, मतलब 200 years ago, before like that, what they had done, they used first, when they used the first, it was invented, it was developed in the ancient Egypt in 200 years ago. What they had done, they had taken a piece of the pine wood that is dipped in the sun. Okay? Pieces of pine wood dipped in sulfur. Okay? It was developed, pieces of the pine wood dipped in a sulfur, okay, in ancient Egypt. 200 years ago. ठीक है, ये एक हो गई हमारी. After that, when they were using the pieces of the pine wood that they dipped in the sulfur, they were using to produce like the matchsticks, right? After that, when inventions हो जाती है ना, then the later on number of the people, number of the scientists, they came to their own ideas. तो second time पे अब इसको उन्होंने क्या किया? Now they use some chemicals. ठीक है, कौन-कौन से chemicals लिए? पोटेशियम क्लोरेट मिक्सचर यानी पोटेशियम क्लोरेट प्लस एंटीमनी ट्राइसल्फाइड, एंटीमनी ट्राइसल्फाइड प्लस, ठीक है, दो चीजें ये पोटेशियम क्लोरेट प्लस एंटीमनी ट्राइसल्फाइड प्लस white phosphorus. We already discussed that the white phosphorus is a harmful because it immediately burns immediately when it comes in contact with the air. Spontaneous combustion, types of combustion we already discussed. The white phosphorus, it burns immediately, right? Plus they had taken glue and the starch. इसी को stick करा उन्होंने and the rubbing on the leg. जहाँ से when they will rub, तो वो friction produce करेगी and heat will be produced. ठीक है? इसके साथ उन्होंने क्या? Glue with some glue and starch. ठीक है? But it is harmful. It was harmful. It's meaning it was harmful because the white phosphorus is a harmful. Not only the person they are making it, the person they are using it. So both of them, it was harmful. Okay? It was harmful for the person or the manufacturer or the person who are using it. So it was harmful. So now again the third will come. उन्होंने क्या करा? First two things same. Potassium chlorate, mixture of potassium chlorate plus antimony trisulfide right, plus a potassium chlorate plus antimony trisulfide plus they had taken, I'm writing here, red phosphorus. P लिख रही हूँ मैं, P means phosphorus. P is the symbol of phosphorus. ठीक है, red phosphorus. Rather than instead of the white phosphorus, they have taken the red phosphorus, which is less harmful as compared to the white phosphorus. जो कि white phosphorus के comparative less harmful थी. Plus what they had done when they are rubbing on the rubbing surface, they had taken powdered glass. Okay, thus you can say ठीक है. So instead of the white phosphorus, they had taken the red phosphorus. Yes, Avni, unmute yourself, beta.
मैम आप प्लीज माइक्रोफोन यूज कर लो, आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
चलिए, write down all these points what they had done. Firstly, they had taken, I am sharing the screen also, wait a while, you can see where you have to learn it. Yeah, here is the paragraph. You can see the history of the matchstick is very old. सबसे पहले more than 500 years ago, small pieces of pine wood dipped in a sulfur, ठीक है, were used as a matches in ancient Egypt. ठीक है, 500 लिख लेना यहाँ. And now the modern, अब आज में थोड़ी उन्होंने develop की, was developed about the 200 safety measures के हिसाब से. Then I told you in the second paragraph, mixture of antimony trisulfide plus potassium chlorate plus white phosphorus. Again you are doing right. Yes, Karanveer, unmute yourself.
मैम प्लीज गेट aside from for 1 minute. मैम मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट खींचना था.
क्या करूं करण, what I will do, wait Karan, wait for a while. ठीक है, in the second paragraph that is written, now the invention I told you, the safety measures, safety matches was developed, and in that safety matches, firstly they use a mixture of the antimony trisulfide plus potassium chlorate and plus white phosphorus with some glue and starch dipped on the head of the match. Match के head पे glue and starch dip कर दिया so that when they strike it, ठीक है, तो it ignited, ठीक है, due to the friction. Naturally when it is rubbed, due to the friction, heat will be produced. After that, still they, when they are using this thing, this was not good enough because white phosphorus is harmful for the workers involved in the manufacturing companies or industries, okay? So and the users also, then they use, rather than white phosphorus, they use the red phosphorus. Red phosphorus is harmful but less harmful, less dangerous as compared to the white phosphorus. So they had taken this for the safety measure. And when the match is struck against, तो उन्होंने वहां पे क्या ले लिया, powdered glass, ठीक है. So when they will strike it, it catches, yeah, immediately due to the friction, heat will be produced. Okay, history of matchstick is clear, I think. ठीक है, 3 paragraphs in your book, and मेरे ख्याल में मैंने बहुत easy form में I am telling you in a very easy manner. I told you कि how you can learn it. Is it clear, beta? Okay. Then as the fire extinguisher, the topic, as the Prabal was saying, we had not discussed, but we had discussed the fire extinguisher. 3 things we had discussed: that the water is not using on the electrical equipments, water is not used for the oils and the petrols, okay? And carbon dioxide is used. Why we are using carbon dioxide? Because it is heavier than the oxygen. It forms a blanket around the combustible substance, so we can stop. But another last line, I'm showing you the last line in that paragraph, how carbon dioxide is produced. So carbon dioxide, in 7th class you already read about that thing, the carbon dioxide produced from the baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, when it is heated, like you see this paragraph, fire extinguisher, we already discussed this paragraph, but I told you in a very elaborative points we discussed. I'm not, we had not discussed this paragraph in the paragraph form, we had discussed in the points, right? Last line, you can see the way it is an excellent fire extinguisher, another way to get carbon dioxide. How we can get the carbon dioxide gas? By a lot of powder, dry powder of chemicals like sodium bicarbonate and potassium bicarbonate. ठीक है, chemical name to produce carbon dioxide. You can write down the chemical Another way to get the carbon dioxide, by using chemicals. कौन कौन से chemicals हैं? Number 1, sodium bicarbonate. And the number 2, that is potassium bicarbonate. Okay. ठीक है जी, this was your topic that was left behind. We discussed and I told you the calorific value, the whole table you have to learn. मैंने आपको सिर्फ थोड़े से 5 or 6 we had discussed. देखो ये वाला, this table, cow dung cake, you have to learn all the calorific value of this table. ठीक है, कुछ मैंने आपको लर्न करवा दिए थे. 5 कितनी है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 5 और 6 हमने कर लिए हैं. ठीक है, so try the different ways. like 45,000 पे 3 है हमारे पास, पेट्रोलियम, केरोसिन, डीजल. you can learn like this. ठीक है, so by this you can learn. Now the time for the question answers. Wait a while. Yes. First question, list condition under which combustion takes place. Yes, who will tell the answer of this question? Yes, Jayant.
Yes, ma'am. Conditions necessary for combustion are presence of combustible substance, presence of supporter of combustion, attainment of ignition temperature. 3
things we required. Okay, combustible substance, supporter of combustion, that is oxygen or air, and third is attainment of ignition temperature. 3 things we required for the combustion. Now the blanks. Burning of wood and coal causes dash of air. Burning of wood and coal causes dash of air.
Pollution.
Pollution of air. A liquid fuel used in homes is. A liquid fuel used in homes is. Used
LPG.
in home is LPG. Fuel must be heated to its dash before it starts burning. Fuel must be heated to its
ignition temperature.
Ignition temperature. Fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by
Water.
water. Right? Next question, explain how the use of CNG in automobile has reduced pollution in our cities. Who will give the answer of this question? How CNG in automobile has reduced pollution in our cities? Who will give the answer of this question? Yes, Prabal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, CNG is a cleaner fuel. CNG CNG usually when it burns, it usually produces ashes. Do not produce acid, blue flame.
So write down the advantages of the CNG. That is a cleaner fuel. Why it is called? Because its ignition temperature is low. It has high calorific value. It will not leave any residue after burning. It will not produce any smoke or harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide. It will not produces, जो कि global warming cause करते हैं. They will not produce these kind of the harmful gases. That's why it is called the cleaner fuel. Compare LPG and wood as a fuel. Who will tell the answer of LPG and wood? But we will write down LPG, wood. But we will write down under this. Bache, but we will write. Yes, Bani. Unmute yourself. Mic pass karo. Mic pass karo, please.
Ma'am, LPGs do not produce smoke, but woods when burned they produce smoke. They are easy
LPG
transport.
will not produce any smoke or the ashes. It will produce smoke. Right. Another point. Or
Ma'am, another point is that when we cut the wood, there is deforestation.
okay, we can write another point. We can write its calorific value is high. Its calorific value is less. Its ignition temperature is good. Its ignition temperature is a little bit more as compared to the LPG. Okay, it will not produces any harmful gases. It will produces harmful gases and cause the global warming. Okay, it can easily transport. It cannot, मतलब difficult होता है. Okay, space, less space will be occupied by LPG cylinder for the storing purpose that required the more storage. We can write down the differentiate point. Is it clear, bete? To everyone, right? Next question is.
मैम हम ये लिख सकते हैं LPG सिलेंडर is stored without safety.
क्या
Ma'am,
क्या क्या
as-
प्रबल दोबारा बोलो.
मैम LPG cylinder needs safety to store and wood does not need safety to store.
Safely तो नहीं, मतलब हाँ, that's why I already discussed ना कि we need the more storage to store the wood. ठीक है. Next question. Give reason. Water is not used to control fires involving electric equipment. Yes. Why water is not used? Yes. Gurnoor Kaur. Yes, Gurnoor Kaur.
Ma'am, as water conducts current and may cause the person dosing the fire to be electrocuted.
We can write as water is a good conductor of electricity. That's why when we will pour the water on the electrical equipment, then we will get the shock. Right. LPG is better domestic fuel than wood. We already discussed all these points. Ki why LPG is better comparison form. So LPG does not produce any smoke as compared to the wood. LPG is having a high calorific value, good ignition temperature. All these points you will write down ki why it is a good fuel. Now the next is paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped around the aluminum pipe does not. Why? Yes, who will give the answer? Who will give the answer of this question? Any other? Yes, Avni, Anve. Avni, Anve.
Aluminium foil's ignition temperature is higher as compared to paper.
Yes, we can write, but we will say कि paper is low ignition temperature, it catches fire immediately. But when we will wrap around aluminum foil, its ignition temperature is more. It absorbs the heat. That's why the paper will not burn. Clear? Third question.
Ma'am, aluminium. Ma'am, because aluminium absorbs the heat, so paper does not attain its ignition temperature.
बिल्कुल सही. We can write. ठीक है. Then make a label diagram of a candle flame. We already did. ठीक है. All of you know how to make the zones of the candle flame. All of you know it very well. ठीक है जी. Then name the units in which the calorific value of fuel is expressed. What is the units? Kilojoules per kilogram. Kilojoules per kilogram. That is kJ plus kg. Please ये ध्यान रखना, because in MCQ we can change this one. So you have to be very particular कि kilojoules per kilogram. Next question is, explain how carbon dioxide is able to control fire. Yes, who will give the answer of this question? Yes, Jevan.
Yes, ma'am. Carbon dioxide can be used as a fire extinguisher because carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen. It surrounds or it forms a layer around the combustible substance.
बिल्कुल. Carbon dioxide is heavier than the oxygen and it forms a blanket around the combustible substance and cut off the air supply between the combustible substance and the air. That's why carbon dioxide is used. Then it is difficult to burn a heap of green leaves, but dry leaves catch a fire easily. I think ये point we discussed a lot. कि why it is difficult to burn the green leaves as compared to the dry leaves. Yes, yes, Prabal. Yes, Prabal.
Yes, ma'am. A heap of green leaves contains a lot of moisture in it, hence its igneous temperature is high, therefore it does not catch fire easily. But dry leaves have no moisture content in it, hence its ignition temperature is low, therefore it catches fire easily.
Yes, very right. Because the green leaves, they are having the water or the moisture in it. So ignition temperature is more as compared to the dry leaves because these are not having the air or the, water or the moisture is there. Next question. Which zone of a flame does a goldsmith use for melting gold and silver and why? Any other student? Shivam, Manasvu, give the answer of this question. Why goldsmith is uses? Anmol, Gurkaran, beta, give the answer of this question. Why goldsmith are using?
Can I give the answer?
Bolo Bani.
Ma'am, goldsmiths use the outermost layer because it is the most hottest layer, so it burns the metal easily.
Bilkul. Goldsmith uses the outermost zone of a flame because it is the non-luminous and the hottest zone of a flame. It is easy to melt the gold and the silver. Next question, there is a numerical, right? So when we are doing numerical, we have to write down what they had given to us. Sorry. In an experiment, 4.5 kilogram of a fuel, that means amount of fuel they had given. Amount of fuel they had given, that is 4.5 kilogram. They are saying he was completely burnt. The heat produced was measured to 180,000 kilojoules. Heat produced is equal to 180,000 kilojoules. Now they are saying calculate the calorific value of the fuel. So we will write calorific value equal to heat produced, okay, divided by amount of fuel this is the formula. Then what is the value given? Heat produced is 180,000 divided by 4.5, right? This decimal will be removed and 10 will be here. Okay, 18 and 45 comes on the 9 table. 9 2s are 18, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9 5s are 45. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 40,000 kilojoules per kilogram is your answer. 40,000 kilojoules per kilogram. Yes, Gurnoor, क्या पूछना है बेटे?
मैम नेक्स्ट आंसर देने के लिए क्या था?
Wait a while. Let me complete. After that, you can give. This is the 40,000 kilojoules per kilogram. Okay. Is it clear how we had done the numerical? Right? Calorific value means heat produced divided by the amount of the fuel. Yes, Gurnoor, give the next answer. Can the process of rusting be called combustion?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, due to following reasons, no energy is obtained in a rusting process because combustion is a chemical process in which a combustible substance reacts with oxygen to produce heat and light, whereas in rusting, a metal reacts with oxygen to produce metallic oxide.
No answer is okay, but in some of the books you can see the yes they had given. तो वो given yes वाला reason क्या होता है कि why they are saying the yes, because of that कि जब iron oxide बनता है that will produce a lot of heat. That's why. ठीक है, no answer ही आप लिखेंगे. Next is Abida and Ramesh were doing an experiment in which water was to be heated in a beaker. Abida kept the beaker near the wick in the yellow part of the candle flame. Ramesh kept the beaker in the outermost part of the flame. Whose water will get heated in a shorter time? No one will write like this, ki Abida and Ramesh, then dot, 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 and the last word. Write down full question over here. Yes, who will give the answer of this question? Yes, Bani.
Ma'am, Ramesh water will get faster in get heated in short time because the outermost layer is
Hottest
hot.
zone. Yes. Ramesh like the beaker hai, that will be heated faster in a shorter time as the outermost zone is the hottest zone of a flame. That you have to write. Only the blanks you will not write. Otherwise, you have to write down the 12 questions in your fair notebook. Is it clear, bache? Is it clear to everyone?
मैम टेस्ट मैम एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में होगा कि दूसरी फॉर्म में होगा?
Sorry, दोबारा बोलो.
मैम टेस्ट मैम एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में होगा कि सब्जेक्टिव फॉर्म में होगा?
Subjective.